There's a fair amount of worry amongst the Marseille supporters, and why not? It is absolutely magnificent! Right out of the top drawer from Cristiano Ronaldo, and Marseille early on in trouble here at the Stade Velodrome. Alexandro, and what about that from Cristiano Ronaldo? And then Ronaldo! What a goal by Cristiano Ronaldo! Sensational! The greatest marksman in the history of the Champions League with an absolute beauty! By the way, you pipe up to us. All the Juventus fans around us are on their feet applauding. Oh, with another pinpoint ball to Ronaldo. Whoops, there you go. You knew what was coming.
Wonderful effort. Does he think he may smash it here? He smashed it into the back of the net. It gets even better for Cristiano Ronaldo. It's a shot of superlatives. And David James might have been playing in the Premier League since the very first weekend in 19...
Suarez to make his way forward. Bernardo Silva's got all the time in the world to pick out one, and three in the middle. And Ronaldo scores just 2 minutes in. His first meaningful touch of the ball. And there's international goal number 76. Inevitably.
Third year in a row, it looks as if there'll be no silverware heading to the Arsenal Trophy cabinet.
Absolutely. How's this? Whether it's putting the ball in the back of the net, looking to the fans and sense it's putting on the show at all times. It's the Wizard. Anywhere he is, the Wizard waving his welcome.
Tirar muito alto, equipa muito subida. Roubo de bola de Portugal, precisamente à custa dessa pressão intensa e muito alta.
Now Di Maria. It's a wonderful header. It is a truly wonderful header. The man nurtured by Manchester United has hurt Manchester United. Cristiano Ronaldo, 1-1.